Hi, Assalamualaikum and very good morning. My paper title for today is a preliminary study exploring demographic factor affecting the choice to work from home. Okay, the issue of the work from home actually become more popular during this COVID-19 situation. The COVID-19 has been declared as a pandemic by WHO. In Malaysia, we already have more than 15,000 cases, okay, since October 2020. So because of that, the several emergency action have been active affected by Malaysian's government to curb the spread of the virus. So one of the action is to force movement control order. Okay, um, is start on March 2020. So this is one of the actions that can flatten the infection curve. The spreading of the virus not only risky for those in healthcare setting, but also among co-workers and between members of the general public and workers in other type of workplace. Okay, so workers were forced to work from home, and because of the COVID-19 has led a dramatic change in the nature of work and how work can be performed. So a flexible work arrangement allows workers to work from home has a form of work continuity in the time of this crisis. So why work from home? So based on the research from Randstad 2018, they indicate that 90% of employees in Malaysia prefer uh, flexible work in their job, has their belief that can increase their work productivity and improve their job satisfaction. So, what is the work from home? Work from home means an employee is working from their house, apartment, or place of residence rather than working from the office like a traditional one. So the concept of work from home actually is similar with other with other terms, okay, with other concepts such as telecommunicating, remote working, and others, okay, in which, okay, is referring the same thing. The objective of this paper actually to investigate the factor that affect the choices to work from home among staff at the Faculty Business Economy and Accountancy at University Malaysia Sabah during the post-COVID-19. So this post-COVID definitions actually is based in MCO terms 1. The post-COVID we consider after June 2020. So based on the literature review, some of the literature review is confirmed that demographic factor is important for the proficiency to telecommunicating. And for them, in terms of the age, millennial or youngest generation who have grown up in the digital age value, the flexibility of working from home and more comfortable doing so compared to the older generation. And based on the Gallup, 2017, 50% of millennials want flexible in work location, relatively to 30% only for the Gen X. Those currently work from home are more likely to be workers from the high skill and professional workers. Several empirical sources suggest that work from home is actually both more educated, both more they are educated and they work in a white collar occupation are more likely to work from home. And then the location, the rest actually is another factor that may give also increase the chances people to work from home in future. Methodology, in terms of methodology, sampling, we use the proportive sampling only focus to academician and non-academician at the Faculty Business and Accountancy UMS. In terms of the instruments, okay, we use actually a structured questionnaire, okay, by using Google Form analysis. This is a very simple descriptive analysis because this study actually only has a preliminary or pilot study. Okay, this is the profile of respondent from the 100. Okay, from the 100 questionnaire distribute, so 67 respondent will respond, okay, for this questionnaire. So we can see in terms of the gender, 27 is a male and 40 respondent is female. In terms of age, okay, majority of the respondent, there are actually from the 40 age in below. Majority of the respondent are married, okay, 51 of them, okay, and the type of work, they are academician. This is actually because of the nature, okay, of the staff compositions in this faculty also is more academician compared to non-academician. In terms of ethnicity, we can see that, okay, majority of the respondent is Bumi Putra Sabah, okay, and followed by Malay, others, and Chinese. Okay, this is the result. So from the sample of the 67, we can see that 27 of the respondent were male and 40 were female respondent. The number of 23 over 40 female respondent are generally more prefer, okay, choose work from home, okay, and 21 over 27 male respondent will choose work from home, okay, during the post-COVID. So we can see that there is no big difference between these two groups. Okay, the terms of the age difference, okay, so we can see that for those, okay, 44 respondent that choose, okay, to continue work from home after the post-COVID, there are actually more, okay, in those who are age, okay, 41 and below. Okay, so maybe there are, okay, between Gen Y and Gen 2. So, but majority, okay, they are young generation. Okay, more prefer work from home compared those are more 41 and above. Okay, this is the result for the marital status, number of children, what type, and perceive in terms of their productivity during the work from home. So this study also revealed that respondents with a single status, okay, are more likely to choose work from home during the first COVID compared to those who are married. Okay, so we can see that, okay, there are 62.7%, okay, from the 51 respondent, okay, that okay, from the 51 respondent, the single respondent perhaps feel more comfortable in their home environment during any interface such as gossip at the office and other disorder. The study found those married respondents with the number of children with 1 to 4 children are more prefer work from home. There are 60.6% of 41 respondents with children during the post-COVID. Okay, there are 33 over 47 academicians and 11 out of 20 non-academicians will choose work from home during the post-COVID. So still, actually, we cannot see a big difference because a small number of respondents in terms of the type of job. Okay, the respondent with perceiving that their productivity is high when work from home during the MCO will choose to continue work from home during post-COVID-19. There are 91.3% of the respondents perceive their productivity is high and will choose, okay, work from home during the post-COVID. Okay, as a conclusion, what we can conclude, okay, there is some finding that can support the literature review, okay, such as age, marital status, children, type of work, may influence the choices work from home compare work from office during the post-COVID-19. okay, at the Faculty Business Economy and Accountancy, University of Sabah. But okay, this study has limitation because it's focused on the one organization that has just about 100 employees. The response rate around 60% also make the difficulty to see the difference, okay, the big difference between work from home choice during the post-COVID. Okay, even though we only asking about the demographic factor. So in future, okay, this study propose, okay, to expand in terms of the sampling, statistical testing to confirm the relationship between demographic factor and work from home. Thank you.